welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor B Beauty, and this video is going to be an MCM unboxing video. Unfortunately, I had already filmed this video before and the footage got like lost or corroded. Like, I don't know what happened, but the file was all messed up. So this is me filming it again, but unfortunately that was a really true unboxing, and this is kind of like a second unboxing, which makes me kind of sad, but I still want to show you guys the bag and just tell you a few bits and bobs about it and a little bit of information on it. So without further ado, before we start the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you're notified every time that I upload, like this video, all that good stuff. And without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. So this is the dust bag. A bit of a backstory. My friend loves the Louis Vuitton Palms spring bag, and I always saw it and I was like, ugh, it's cute, like what can you fit in that? And now I realized that honestly sometimes when you go places you don't need to have your whole tote bag with you. Like, I used to be a tote bag girl, and I used to have like the I still have them and I love them, but like I used to be heavy on like the Neverfulls and the big shoppers from MCM and whatnot. And even now my like everyday bag that I use is the Longchamp bag, and they're all tote bags, and I'm like, sometimes I want to go out and I don't need to have a tote bag. But anyway, my friend really loved the Palm Springs Louis Vuitton bag, and this was a couple years ago, and I always saw it and I was like, you know, blah blah blah. But like a couple months ago I saw it and I was like, wow, that's really cute, I like it. And I looked into it and it's like $2,000, and I was like, oh girl, no ma'am, no ma'am, that bag is not for me today, you know. And then I stumbled across the MCM version of the bag, which is honestly like half the price, and I was like, wow, this is really cute. I honestly liked it a little bit more because of the straps on this bag are Cognac. I got the Cognac one, so the straps on this one is Cognac versus the brown straps on the other one. So anyway, it's just my personal preference on top of price preference. But this is going to be a MCM, I believe they call it, or I'm gonna get my phone. The bag is called the Stark BB Boo Backpack in Vasitos, I guess is what the Cognac color is, what they're calling it. So this, I'm just gonna start unboxing it or unbagging it now. This is the dust bag. It is, you know, just a little white dust bag, and this is the bag. How freaking cute is this bag? I really like it. It's so cute. This is kind of like a not kind of like, it is. It's a birthday present to myself, but it's a little bit early. So anyway, this is what the bag looks like. They've got a front zipper right here, and you can put something small, maybe your chapstick, maybe a stick of gum, maybe if you have like a card case or something, you can stick that in there. Then on the sides, it has a pocket here, which you can maybe stick some money in. I mean, not a whole bunch of money. I don't know what I would stick in here, but they have it on both sides. So this is what it looks like on both sides. I watched a whole bunch of reviews on this bag, and I don't remember anyone saying what they did with that little pocket. I would stick some money in it, like maybe if I'm going somewhere I would stick a $20 bill right there real quick, you know. I don't know. This is the back. So you have the two hooks right here, and you have two hooks on the side. So a lot of people wear it as a bag, as a backpack itself, or a lot of people wear it as use one strap, because obviously the straps are detachable because they're not attached right now, obviously. And they hook each strap here, so it would be like a shoulder bag. So I'll show you how that works as well. This is the front gold hardware. It says MCM, and then it has some numbers on it, and it still has a little plastic plastic covering on it. I'm not going to take that off yet until I wear it. And then when you unzip the bag, you've got the straps. So originally this was packaged all with like a bunch of, you know, plastic all over it, so I took the plastic off. It was a really nice video. I can't believe it got all corroded like that. Ugh, so irritating. But this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's kind of small, but I feel like it'll fit everything that you need on a really quick trip, you know, like not something you feel like all day you're gonna need your this and your that and your this and your that. But this, you can put your phone in here, your wallet, your hand sanitizer, an extra mask, your lipstick, your gum, and that's all you really need in here, you know? Just like how people buy little clutches or whatnot. Then on the inside, it's actually got a card slot, so you could just put your license and your debit card in here, because it's got 2 spots in there actually. So you can stick, yeah, you can see it. You can stick your debit card and your license in there, or your license and some cash or whatever. And it says MCM, and it says, has a little tag in here. I don't know what the purpose of that tag is for. I don't know. And then these are the straps. So like I was saying, a lot of people wear it as a backpack. So they hook one strap here and here, and then they hook the other strap here and here. Or people have been using one strap and hooking it here and here, like that, and hanging it maybe like a crossbody or just a shoulder bag. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. I don't want to keep taking the hooks on and off because I don't know, I'm just like that. I don't know. Also, the straps are adjustable, so there's a whole line of little holes that you can adjust your straps with. So you can, this is pretty long, but you can make it way shorter as well. So I'm not going to do that either because I don't want to, and it was kind of hard. But these are the 2 straps. I really like the way it looks. I think it was a really good purchase. I am going to show you guys how my phone fits in here. So this is my iPhone 11 Pro Max phone, and this is the bag. So it fits right in there like that, and you just zip it up. There's no like problem or anything. I have the MCM Patricia chain wallet, and this is about the same length. So while that wallet does fit in here, it will be really tight. Like you have to like lift and bend and twist and stuff, and I don't want to have to do that, so I'm not going to be using that wallet. I actually am thinking about selling that wallet, so if you're interested in buying that wallet for me, let me know. I am selling it at a really reasonable price. But yeah, so this is what the the phone looks like inside of the bag, and as you can see, there's a lot of room to put a lot of stuff else in here. So I feel like it's kind of roomy even though it's little and whatnot. So I'm really excited about this. When I start wearing it and showing you and letting you, like when I start wearing it, I'm going to end up showing you guys maybe like what's in my bag and showing you what all fits in here, because a lot of people want to know what fits in it before they buy it. I won't really say that I care what other people can fit in it, because I'll know what I can fit in it. You know, like some people try to fit a whole bunch of stuff in it. I don't think that that's the vibe that I'm going to take with this bag, but I would like to show you the few bits and bobs that I end up fitting in it once I start wearing it. So expect that video from me later on. But yeah, so this is the bag. Remember I said that there's a zipper in the front, a big zipper. Ooh, ow, punch myself in the face. A big zipper in the back. There's 2 side pockets, and there's the straps, the strap hooks in the back. So a little bit of background, or not background, but a little bit of information. I got this bag directly from the MCM website. They have different colors. They have pink, black, this cognac color, and because of the new year, they have like a red color. I picked the cognac color because I thought that it was the most wearable in my collection. So yeah, and they also have bigger versions. So this is the extra mini version, but they have the mini version. They have like a large, medium. They have like a big old backpack. Like you can have a big old MCM backpack. I just chose to go with the little one because I want to use it as more of like a purse. But that is pretty much it. I love this bag so much. I think it's so stinking cute. And I think that's about it. Please be sure to comment on my videos, like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you are notified every time I upload and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video.